Dear aspirants, welcome to Balians.com. In this session today, I will introduce you to the topic of art and culture. When you look at the syllabus of general studies for prelims as well as main examination, you'll find art and culture is the most interesting topic. Because in this topic, you have to study architecture, you have to study sculpture, painting, music, dance, theatre, calendars, you have fairs, festivals, you have religion and philosophy, you have social institutions. So diversity here is extreme. And the diversity of syllabus makes art and culture extremely interesting. When you learn various dimensions of Indian history, heritage and culture, you'll feel fascinated. You'll find that, this was never known to me about India. India is the land of glory. We have one of the oldest civilization in whole of the world. So this topic of art and culture is very, very important for your success in IAS examination. Whether you look at prelims or you look at the mains, this is the most important. In fact, among the smaller components, this is the most important component of GS syllabus. Now, if you look at the syllabus outlines here, what are the components of art and culture syllabus? Art and culture syllabus can be broadly divided into 4 parts. First part deals with the visual art. Visual art means the stationery or the kind of static components or static features of Indian art and culture. For example, temple, fort, palace, pillar, sculpture, painting. These things do not change with time. You look at them today, you look at them after few more days, you'll find they are the same. Then you have the second performing art component. Performing art deals with dynamic aspects. Dynamic aspects such as music, dance, theatre, martial art, cinema. You can appreciate them only till the time performance is going on. If performance ends, you cannot appreciate them in any way. Third component is dealing with institutions. Institutions like Sangeet Natak Akademi. Institutions like Film Division. Institutions like Bal Bharti. So you have plenty of institutions here which are of great importance for your examination. What are their functions? What are their dimensions of relevance? To what extent they are related to government? What kind of awards and prizes and honors are distributed by them? All those things you have to see, and even including the recipients of different awards, honors. Then the fourth component is miscellaneous cultural dimensions. Means here you have to study issues like social institutions. Like when you look at social institutions, family, marriage, stratification, ashrama, gotra. Then you have to study here educational institution. Questions are being asked in prelims as well as mains about Nalanda University, about Vikramshila University, about Taxila University, about medieval institutions. Then you have religion and philosophy. You'll find questions about Bhakti, Sufi, Buddhism, Jainism. Then you have fairs and festivals. Different kind of fairs and festivals are organized in different parts of India every year. In fact, every month you'll have diversity. Then you have here development in science and technology. You have literature. So all these kind of various dimensions, I'll explain you in detail when we come to the classes. This is just the introduction, what is basically art and culture. When you think of preparing art and culture online, what can you expect and what should you focus upon? So these are the outlines. We'll be covering each and every dimension in detail, each topic, subtopic, and you'll have sub-topics. Each and every point, relevant point, will be covered here. So once you go through this course, you will not require any other book, any other classes, any other kind of source to crack your IAS examination from the perspective of art and culture. What is the significance here? Significance, relevance, you can understand when you have a look at the main exam. In main exam, every time there are 50 to 60 marks questions from this topic. In prelims exam, every time there are 10 to 12 questions. If you convert them into marks, 20 to 24 marks out of the total 200 marks paper of GS in prelims exam. So it's very, very important. You cannot afford to look it away. Second important aspect here is that it's very easy to cover. Most of the questions are easy. If you go through the syllabus once properly, you can answer them without much difficulty. So this is basically a source of easy marks. Devote little time, little attention, and ensure that you get 50-60 marks in mains extra, and you can have 20-24 marks in your prelims under your belt by covering the topic of art and culture. The next dimension, every time when you prepare anything, you have to look for the answer writing practice, because knowing is one thing and writing answer on the topic, on that particular aspect, is a very different ball game. In this course, we'll have daily answer writing practice every day. Every day after the class, I'll give you 5-6 questions on each and every topic, whatever is covered. You are supposed to write them, you are supposed to scan them, and you are supposed to upload them on the portal. I'll check them and I'll send them back to you day by day with comments, with feedback, what improvement is required. I'll provide you model answers of certain questions when you have more difficulty, so that you can relate, okay, this is the way to write and this is the way you can score good marks on questions related to the topic of art and culture. Art and culture is important not only for main, because answer writing practice is for main exam. It is important for your prelims exam also. For prelims exam, you have MCQ based questions. So here we'll have practice of at least 2000 questions which are MCQ based for your prelims exam. After every class, you will have prelims practice test. This will help you in understanding your level of clarity, your level of comfort. This will help you in understanding your retention ability, your conceptual clarity. So every class will be followed by a prelims based MCQ test. That test will be online. You have to attempt it online. The moment you submit, you get your result, your ranking, and your performance, which question was wrong, which question was right, why was it right, why was it wrong. Everything you'll get to know instantaneously once you submit your questions which you have attempted for prelims. All of these are part of your course here, online preparation for art and culture. Now, whenever you study anything, you are going to have difficulties. So, to ensure that you have no difficulty, we are providing you here teacher support. This is WhatsApp number for classes, my WhatsApp number. You can write me your doubts, difficulties through WhatsApp by using this number. I'll reply you within few hours. I will not say that within few minutes, but within few hours I'll reply you definitely on the same day. Second dimension of support, second mechanism is on the portal itself. When you'll have account, after confirming your seat, you'll get the button of teacher support. You can write your doubt difficulties, you can upload pictures, and I'll give you all the answers, all the clarifications, maybe through text, maybe through some PDF material, maybe through some video discussion session, depending on the nature of your doubt. So you'll keep on getting teacher support continuously. So you can note down this WhatsApp number. Even if while taking admission you have any difficulty, you can write your queries, you can write your difficulties, and I will help you in getting the clarity. So this number you can always use while taking admission, and even after taking admission during the course of preparation, your doubt difficulties can be settled by using this WhatsApp number. This will not receive any call because calls are barred. This is only for WhatsApp. Then number of seats. Every course related to history and culture, here we are having 150 seats, because I cannot handle students more than this number. This is what I have devised the system. I can give you support regularly. I can check your answers. I can give you feedback. So I have to devote time over and above these classes, what you have to go through. So seats are limited. The moment these seats are filled up, admissions will be closed. Then you have to wait for the next batch. You cannot have admission once seats are over. So ensure that you take admission as soon as possible. Once you decide to take admission, you must know course duration also. This course duration is for 1 month. "25 classes basically. So 25 classes or 1 month, you can say. This is the course duration for your art and culture topic. How to take admission? Once you have decided to take admission, you have to visit Balians.com. This is my portal. On Balians.com, you'll have multiple tabs. You have to look for the tab of courses. After courses, you'll have to look for online courses under that tab. And under online courses, you'll have art and culture module. Click on this. You'll reach the landing page. On this landing page of arts and culture, you'll find number of seats available. If they are, you'll find the date of course commencement. You'll find other miscellaneous details. And you'll find a demo video. You can watch this demo video also as many times as you want to understand the manner in which we are going to cover this course. So this demo video is basically a class video, class session that will give you proper idea about the manner in which course will be covered for you. So all these things you can find on the portal once you click on the link of or the button of art and culture module. Now after confirming your admission, your course will not start immediately because you have to wait for the date. In the meantime, we'll get you the support material to read. We'll give you the hard copy. We'll give you some stuff in soft copy day by day so that you can keep getting updated on each and every dimension. On this page itself, once you confirm your admission, you get your account. This account will be available to you after you confirm your seat. In this account, you'll have teacher support tab. You'll have current affairs tabs. You'll have syllabus tabs. You'll have previous year's questions tab. So multiple kind of features, everything that you need to have for your art and culture will be available there on the spot. A real-time support will be available. Any difficulty, use teacher support or use WhatsApp number which I gave you. So this is about art culture. Confirm your seat at the earliest because seats are limited. And once you confirm your admission, your responsibility of preparation gets over. Then it's my responsibility to take you through to each and every dimension of syllabus and to ensure that you get good marks in mains exam as well as prelims exam. So all the best. May God bless you, and let us start the process of learning art and culture together.